Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a newsletter on Systeme.io. The first thing you want to do once you're signed up on your dashboard, as you can see right here, you're going to go over to the top menu option and you're going to hover over right where you see emails and you're going to tap on newsletters. After selecting newsletters, you're going to tap on create in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on create, you'll be led to this dashboard, and from here you will be able to type out your subject. Then you'll enter the sender name or email address. Right here you can enter their name, so let me enter my name real quick. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you can either use one of these templates or you can choose to use the classic editor. For this example, since it's a quick example, we'll select the classic editor and I'm going to tap on save. After you have tapped on save, you are going to tap on the newsletter name right here, or subject. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page. Once on this page, all you'll need to do now, you could simply fill out your information right there, or you could tap on switch to visual editor. So after tapping on switch to visual editor, you can select one of the templates. So we'll select this template, then we'll tap on confirm. After you have done that, you're going to be led to this page, and this is more like it. Now you'll be able to add content boxes from the left hand menu option real quick. So all you'll need to do, let's say for example we'd like to remove this section or add something else. All you'll have to do is tap on the plus in the section that you would like to insert something. Then you can see the different options right there. For example, if you wanted to insert a button, you could tap on button. Then you could tap on the button, and from there you could paste in the URL that you'd like to add. You can also type out the call to action right here, and you can change the font size. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on Save Changes in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Save Changes, you could tap on Exit in the top right hand corner. Then once you have done that, you can choose to send a test email if you want. So you can tap on Save and Test, or you can choose to send it if you want, or you can schedule the email whenever you want to send it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.